Huh?
Ice cream truck.
Yeah.
I bought it. Ice cream truck in there.
Yeah.
Milk in there.
Yeah.
Milk.
Is that good?
Yeah.
There's a man in there?
Yeah.
No. Where was he?
He's driving.
Driving what?
Driving back there.
Oh. What was he in?
Ice cream truck.
Oh. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Green day.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
No. You like when he comes by with the music?
Yeah.
No. What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Yeah. Where'd you get it from?
Ice cream.
Where did you get that from?
From ice cream truck.
You did?
Yeah.
You get something? Did you pay with it with your own money?
Yeah.
Where'd your money come from?
Piggy bank.
Yeah. You pulled $2 out of your piggy bank?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you eat for lunch?
Ice cream.
No, for lunch.
Ice cream.
No, what'd you eat for lunch, buddy? Didn't you eat Chipotle?
Yeah.
Did you have barbacoa?
Yeah.
Was it spicy?
Yeah.
Did you like it though? How's your popsicle?
It's good.
Yeah.
I'm sitting right.